Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a page at the Whatcom County Library System, and today we're going to be doing a walkthrough about how you can use your library card number to sign up for a Bibliocommons account. With having a Bibliocommons account, it's going to be really helpful during this time. You are going to be able to see what items we have available in the catalog, such as audiobooks, movies, music, and more. You're going to be able to choose a pickup location for those items, so where you want to pick them up, as well as renew those items in case you want them for a little bit longer. So let's hop onto a computer and we'll do the walkthrough. So when you get to WCLS.org, you're going to click on Login. For a username and barcode, type in your library barcode number and password and PIN. It's going to be the last 4 digits of your phone number unless you have changed it. So then click Login. You're going to then click Continue. Here you're going to verify that all the information here is correct and continue again. This is where you're going to pick a username, so find one that you like, accept the terms, and complete. Here's just going to be some additional optional settings that you can use so we are able to help personalize your account. So here I'm going to search for a book by Suzanne Collins. I'm going to type in the author's name. You can also do title and then search. So I'm going to scroll until I find the book I like. Here I'm going to click place a hold and then choose my pickup location. Mine is going to be Ferndale, but we have all of the library branches in Whatcom County, as well as Bellingham, Fairhaven, and Berkeley. So then I'm going to click confirm hold, and you're going to see that it has been finalized. So you can go up to my library dashboard, scroll down, and on the left-hand side, this is where you're going to be able to manage your hold. So here you can see the status of the hold, what number you are in line, and if I already had this book, you're going to be able to renew it on one of these buttons here. But really, there's so much that you can explore when you have this account. So we hope you found that video really helpful, and you can see that even though in-person resources are pretty limited, you are still going to be able to access the library materials by having a Bibliocommons account. So again, you can go to WCLS.org and start searching.